Wagwan YouTube, you don't know it's Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you guys are notified when I put up a new video. And if you're a oldie, Wagwan, respect, thank you for coming back. Anyways, in today's video, we're gonna be doing a question and answer video. I don't want to pass up in my life. I'm just joking. Anyways, so I have some questions that people wanted me to answer, so I'm going to answer that for you guys today. Okay, stay tuned. So the first question, and by the way, I'm reading it from a book. I just wrote down the questions that people were asking me from Instagram and such. So the first question is, what is your real name? Okay, so as you guys can see, it says Shickaa Chung. That is actually not my real name. Shickaa Chung is just my nickname, so my real name is actually Chic. And I'm pretty sure that you guys don't know anybody with that name. My name is very unusual. I don't know where my grandmother got that name from, because yeah, it was my grandma who named me. But yeah, Chic is my name. Okay, when is your birthday? I am born August 14th. Yes, August 14th. I am a Leo. And guys, when it comes to the horoscope and Leo and all those stuff, like, I actually really believe in it. I believe I am the definition of a Leo. So any Leos that are watching, just drop your sign below and say Leo, because you don't know we run things. And all of them who don't like Leos, I'm sorry, but we are the best. What? Anyways, okay, so where are you from? I am from Canada. I'm from Toronto, Ontario. I was born in Canada as well. And yeah, that is where I'm from. What do you do? So what I do, I guess that question means like, what is my job? I'm currently a hairstylist. I am a licensed hairstylist, and also I'm also an entrepreneur. I have my own little store where I sell sunglasses and fashion accessories. If you guys want to check out my accessories, I will drop my store link down below. Also, that store link is also tied in with my my hairdressing booking link, so you guys will see like stuff to do with hair on my website as well. But I do sell like fashion sunglasses. You don't know, let me show you one. Like, you know, like the nice little fashion sunglasses, you know. You want to look good? Want to look good in the sun? You know? Well, let me show you our next one. You guys want to look fly? So I do sell sunglasses and stuff like that, and I think you guys should go and check out my website, because when outside opens up after all of this lockdown is over, y'all gonna want to look fly. So check out my website. I will link it down below. Next question. So I thought you were born in Jamaica. Everybody thinks I'm born in Jamaica, because sometimes when I talk, like, I chip in the patois and then I talk English, and here and there, and people say my patois sounds very authentic. So no, I am not born in Jamaica. I did go to school there when I was really, really young, but I'm not born in Jamaica. I think the accent comes from just me being around Jamaicans like all the time. My family obviously is Jamaican, and they speak raw patois, like they don't speak English. And I feel like when you're in a certain environment, you adapt to like how the person speaks and, you know, stuff like that. So I guess that's how I adapted the accent, I guess. And also I'm always in Jamaica, like I go there very frequently, and yeah, I just talk to bare Jamaican people, so maybe that's why I sound the way I sound. But yeah, I'm not born in Jamaica. I'm born in Canada. So what is your relationship status? Everybody knows that I'm in a relationship. Well, everybody who knows me knows that I'm in a relationship, but I'm actually married right now. Yeah, that's my relationship status. I am married, and if you guys watch my vlog, you will see who I'm married to. How long have you been in your relationship? So this year would actually make 6 years of us being together. August of this year would make 1 year of us being married. And yeah. And for you guys who have not watched my previous videos, yes, I am in a long distance relationship. And that just leads me to my next question. It says, how do you deal with being in a long distance relationship? honestly, with a long distance relationship, it's a lot of trust. You have to really have a lot of trust for the person that you're being with. You guys have to make efforts to see each other. So in my case, I have to make the effort to really go and see him and just make sure that the connection is always there. Communication is key when it comes to long distance relationship. When it comes to like, you know, the urges, you know, the type of urges I mean, you want your like or something. Like honestly, you just have to know how to hold yourself. You know what I mean? I mean, it may be harder for men, but for like it's hard for everybody. I should say it's hard for everybody. But honestly, guys, I think I'm just gonna make a video based on being in a long distance relationship because it's a lot of stuff to explain, and I don't really want to explain it in this video. I'll make another video for about being in a long distance relationships and tips of being in a long distance relationship, because honestly, you have to have the mentality, like a strong mentality, to keep a long distance relationship. Anyways, the next question is, who is your favorite artist? Okay, so if people who know me, they know I love dance hall. I'm a dance hall head. Favorite artist, like I feel like I don't really have like a favorite artist, but I am a Gaza girl, so I guess I could say like Vibes Cartel and so. But back in the days, like back in like 2009, 2008, for anybody that's Jamaican or who's like a Gaza fan, if you guys know Black Rhino, like Black Rhino was definitely my favorite artist back in the day. Like if you guys don't know who Black Rhino is and you guys love dancehall, gonna go check the Black Rhino. Go and go check Black Rhino. Right now he makes music now, but he's not like as popular as like before. But Black Rhino was a sick artist, and that was my favorite artist before. But right now I don't really have a favorite artist. I love, like, I just love music in general. I love Squash, I love Chronic Law, I love Vibes Cartel, I love Masika, I love Dex. Well, I don't love Dex Adams, but I like his songs. TJ, I love TJ Satil. Yeah. So what part of Jamaica is your family from? So if you guys watch my ethnicity video, I did answer this question. My family, majority of my family is from Trelawney in the bush, where they have the yam. That is where Usain Bolt is from. So yeah, country people. That is the part of Jamaica that my family is from. And as I said in the other video too, my dad is from Clarendon. And I have some people in Mobay as well. Next question is, where do you stay in Jamaica? So I stay in Montego Bay. If you guys know Montego Bay, Mobay, that is like one of the top tourist area in Jamaica. Like other than like Negril and Ochi, but Mobay is where like a lot of tourists and people land. Yeah, Montego Bay. What activities do you recommend in Jamaica? So there's a lot of things that I actually recommend to do in Jamaica. I should actually make a separate video on those things, but I'll just name a couple stuff. Like obviously go to the beach. Go to the beach. An activity for me, because I'm so fat, is to eat. I love food. So if you guys classify that as an activity, that is an activity. Eat some KFC, eat some jerk chicken, some box food, chicken and chips, and yeah, I recommend you guys go to like Dunn's River to enjoy the falls. But the thing with Dunn's River, if you do not like walking, you're probably not gonna like it, because there's a lot of walking to walk down to the beach where you climb the falls. It's a lot of walking. Dolphin Cove, if you guys like dolphins and stuff, you guys can pay to take pictures of the dolphin. Mystic Mountain, if you like, if you know what a bobsled is, like they have a bobsled type of roller coaster up there. They have a chairlift, like if you go skiing, and you know what a chairlift is, it brings you up into the sky and bring you to the next destination. There's like zip lining. There is so much things to do in Jamaica. I'm gonna actually make a separate video on those things, but those are like the questions that I did receive. I didn't receive like a lot of questions, but yeah, if you guys want to know more about me, just link it in the comments below. And if there is any suggestions of any other videos you want me to make, just put it in the comments below. But thank you guys for watching my video. Everything about me on a fast and on my business, and want to know a little bit about me. Make sure that you guys subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. You know, share it with your auntie, your uncle, your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your everybody. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye.